Welcome to Section 2 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, Marketing on YouTube, Step by Step. In this section, we'll talk about creating a YouTube account, YouTube walkthrough, YouTube channels, YouTube Creator Studio walkthrough, start advertising on YouTube, and video marketing tips to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Creating a YouTube account. Okay. So the first step to start promoting your marketing content is by becoming an active YouTube user. And in order to become an active YouTube user, you will need a YouTube account that will allow you to access every amazing feature offered by the YouTube platform. Creating a YouTube account is as easy can get. It is free, and you can do it with a few clicks on your mouse. In this video, we are going to show you how to create your own YouTube account the proper way. Getting started. The first step to start creating a YouTube account is to simply head to youtube.com. Now, once there, you will have the option to access your YouTube account by using the Sign In button, but only if you have a Gmail account already. This is because when you create a Gmail account, you are signing up for the entire ecosystem of Google services, which includes popular Google platforms such as YouTube, Google+, and Google Drive, which means that by creating a Gmail account, you are also creating a YouTube account. Enter your Gmail credentials after in order to sign in on YouTube using your Gmail account. Now you will notice that your profile image is featured in the top right corner. Click it. As you can see, you will be able to access your YouTube account from this tab, and you'll have other options available such as access to your Creator Studios and your YouTube account settings. Creating a YouTube account from scratch. Now, you would be hard-pressed to find someone who doesn't have a Gmail account nowadays. But it's possible. So in case you don't have a Google account, let's show you how you can create one from scratch, the easy way. Start on the Google main page and click on the Sign In button on the top right corner. You will be taken to a login screen asking you to enter your Gmail address. But because you don't have a Google account, you will need to click on More Options and then on Create Account. Now you'll be asked to enter your personal information to create a Google account that you can use to have your own YouTube account. Start by entering your first name and your last name. Then enter a username that will also work as your Gmail email address. Make sure that your username of choice is available. If it is not available, choose from one of the recommended by Google. Now you'll have to create a password, and to confirm your password after you create it. Now enter your date of birth in the birthday section, starting with the month, then the day, and then the year. Now select your gender from the gender menu below. Lastly, enter your phone number, an up-to-date email address, and your location. Then hit the Next Step button to move on to the next step. A pop-up window will appear, instructing you to agree with Google's Terms of Service. Click through the Terms of Service document by clicking the blue scroll-down button, and then click on I agree. Now your new Google account is being created. You can access your account by clicking on the initial letter icon on the top right corner, so you can change your profile picture by clicking on Change. Now go to YouTube so you can test your new account on the platform as well. Click on Sign In, and you're all set. A message that reads, "You are now registered with YouTube" will appear to let you know that your YouTube account has been created. Just as you saw in the previous segment, you can use the profile picture icon on the right top corner to access your account. If you want to further customize your YouTube account, you can click on the YouTube Settings button. Here, you will find several settings options including Advanced Settings, additional features, connected accounts, privacy, notifications, and playback. As you can see, creating a YouTube account is a walk in the park, and doing so will allow you to enter a world of video marketing that was just difficult to even dream up before. Tune in for a following video so we can give you a nice walkthrough of the YouTube platform as a new registered user.